I'm Aslaksen. I'm the C2 at iVision, and I want to spend the next few minutes talking to you about 5 misconceptions of managed services. First one is an idea that moving to the cloud, I won't need a managed service providers because it's so much easier. Well, that's not always true. You can still benefit greatly by having a managed service provider help you with your cloud infrastructure. Patching services, making sure that things are redundant, cost control, putting governance around there, your infrastructure. These are all positive things that a managed service provider can bring to your infrastructure. The second misconception is the idea that managed services aren't needed when I have an internal IT team. So a good MSP will act as a partner and be an extension of your team versus trying to replace them. Instead of your top engineers kind of focusing on the fire drills, they can actually do projects that move the business forward. So the third misconception is now that you've signed up with a managed services partner, that removes the need for hardware and software support contracts. It's not true. Unless you're talking about a cloud service, something like an IaaS or DR as a service, you're still going to need support on your on-prem equipment. What happens is a managed service provider actually uses that support to escalate trouble tickets on your behalf and work directly with the vendor in order to provide you support you need. Fourth misconception is the idea that a managed service provider is just an insurance policy for my internal team. A good managed service provider is going to be not only a trusted leader, but a trusted advisor to help you improve your infrastructure, making it more secure, making it more stable. They've got the knowledge of working with hundreds of different companies in order to help benefit your particular issue and your unique infrastructure. The last misconception is the idea that managed services are generally way too expensive. Well, when you think about the cost to staff a team 24/7, you're covering something such as network support. That's 4 engineers that you're going to need on 8-hour shifts, working through nights, weekends, and holidays. There's a lot of cost there. When you think about providing that proactive stability, that's what managed services excel at, right? They've got automation in place, they've got monitoring in place, they've got all these pieces and parts to actually get ahead of issues that would otherwise cause downtime. This comes from years of experience and investment focusing on creating operational excellence. So hopefully I cleared up some of the misconceptions around managed service providers. iVision is here. We're a full technology service provider offering support from the desktop to the data center to the cloud, and we would love to work with you in a way that helps your company innovate and drive business growth.